Hi everyone, I'm Moontour Emer and I'm so excited today to share one of my hobbies with you. I love jazz and blues music, and about a year ago I started working on jazz singing. Jazz is a type of music that originated in the African American communities in New Orleans in the USA, and it also combines European music. New Orleans is in Louisiana, which is all the way down south in the USA. Some typical instruments that are used in jazz are the double bass, drums, guitar, usually electric guitar, piano, saxophone, trumpet, the clarinet, and the trombone and harmonica. It's kind of difficult to give an exact definition for jazz, but a really famous singer, Nina Simone, said, "Jazz is not just music, it's a way of life, it's a way of being, and a way of thinking." The amazing thing about jazz is that people really improvise when they're doing it. So if someone was playing or singing, and that one time you heard them, if you heard them again, it would probably sound completely different. You kind of make it up as you go along, and I love that freedom to explore. If a jazz band is playing a song, the song may have several solos. So one player will play while the rest of the band stays quiet. Sometimes you have a saxophone playing and they'll play this amazing solo piece, and then it'll go over to somebody on the electric guitar and they have their chance to showcase their talent. It's absolutely amazing. Most jazz is very rhythmic, and that's also called swing. Jazz music was first based on the music of African slaves who were forced to work in plantations in the southern area in the United States. So these included call and response songs, spiritual chants, and blues. And these characteristics over a period of time really helped to develop blues music, creating songs that slaves during their work would sing. I want to sing a song to give you an example of what jazz singing sounds like, and then afterwards we can sing Jingle Bells in a jazzy style, because I know you all know that song. So this song that I'm going to sing is called Hard Times, and it was written by Ray Charles, who's a singer, songwriter, composer, and a pianist. He was blinded as a young child due to glaucoma. And he has a nickname called The Genius, which I'm not surprised based on his extreme talent. Can you imagine composing music and playing the piano and being blind? It's exceptional. So many jazz songs are about love, but also heartbreak and sadness. And then you have others that are, about new life and the beauty of nature and the world around us. Hard Times by Ray Charles is a little bit sad, but I think it will really give us a nice idea of what jazz music sounds like. So, are you ready for it? Okay, Maestro, if you please. My father told me, for he passed away, say, when I'm gone, don't forget to pray, 'cause there'll be hard times, those hard, who knows better than I? Well, I soon found out just what it meant when I had to pawn my clothes just to pay the rent. Talking about hard times, those hard, who knows better than I? Yes, Lord, one of these days there'll be no more sorrow when I go away, and no more hard times. I said no more hard, yeah, who knows better than I? Oh man, I love jazz. I hope you can share my love for jazz. That is such a beautiful song, a little bit sad, but still the lyrics and the sound and the music are just fab. So I hope you kind of get a good idea of what jazz style music is. So now we're going to sing Jingle Bells in a jazz style. And I know you know this song at home, so please sing along with me. And, maestro, if you please. Woo! Bum 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 ba-da-dum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum ba-da-bum bum 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 ba-dum ba-da-dum bum bum ba-da-dum bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Woo! Wow, I am really excited for Christmas after singing that song. You guys are amazing, and thank you for singing along with me. Happy Christmas, August Slán!